Alright guys. New welding machine for Christmas. Want me to try this out? Oh God, I need a table. I'm gonna lay down. Nope, not laying down. Alright. I'm just gonna go ahead and say fire in the hole, let you know. Fire in the hole. Fire in the hole. Whoa, that's weird. It's so weird.
What's weird about it?
I don't know, I'm not used to it.
Yeah. That's why we're here playing before you start welding stuff. It's a long tip on there, man.
Long tip.
A lot of wire hanging out.
Alright. Fire in the hole. It's weird, it's just battery. Alright, hold on, let me go again. Fire in the hole. I think we need to lower the wire speed.
Don't move it so much.
Keep it on max.
I don't necessarily need it on max.
Alright. Fire in the hole. God, that's so weird.
Let me see it. You turn your camera off for a minute.
No. Alright, I'll turn it off until I get it. Learn how to do it. Alright, so we figured out that we had to raise the wire speed. So let's try this again. Fire in the hole. Oh man.
Now, do you see the bead pile up?
Yeah.
That's what I'm talking about. You can try it both ways and see which one you're more comfortable with, pulling or pushing.
Alright.
That looks fairly decent already. I like to pull the bead because I like to see what it looks like as I'm coming by it. If you push it, you don't get to see what it looks like after you're done with it. But
Yeah.
some people like pushing it.
True. Alright. I'm gonna try pushing.
If you weld going up, like go up,
You
you
push.
have to push it.
Yeah. I don't know if I'm even gonna try pushing. I like this way.
Then do it that way.
I'm gonna clean it off just because I want to. Ooh, that's hot. Alright, let's go again. I gotta get used to how this machine works.
This thing's not even
What? It's not even videoing what?
Go ahead.
Is the gun in the middle, Dad?
Yeah.
Alright. Here we go again. Fire in the hole. Ooh. Yeah. It's looking better.
You can only get like one or two more. I gotta tell the person to get his shoes on.
Alright.
We gotta leave in like 7 minutes.
Okay.
But we'll do more when you get back from dinner with your mom, too.
Oh, I'm not allowed to do this and you're not here?
No.
Okay.
Heck no.
Alright. I'll do more. Alright, guys, it's looking good so far.
Come back home and have fun. You want to see what the wire brush does? You want to do that tonight? The wire wheel.
Let's do that later. I bet you it makes it even more clean.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now I'm going to do a straight bead like that.
There you go. There you go, better.
Whew.
Much better.
Fire in the hole. It's not that much of a difference. See that? Alright. Oh Lord, alright. Fire in the hole. It doesn't work on the corner.
It does not, which is where do you weld 99% of the time?
Corner?
You're always in a corner. The reason why it doesn't work is because it can't fill it up like that can. When you go to 45, it builds that bead up and you push it or pull it, right? But it builds it up. Look, you don't have this, look at all this right here. Look at all these BBs everywhere. You know I'm calling BBs, right?
Yeah.
Look at all this crap everywhere. And then look at that, look at that, look at that. On a flat surface, which I don't know why you would ever do that, but on a flat surface, I guess you could. When you're actually welding pieces together, it's got to be at a 45.
Gotcha.
You see why? All that is a big
Wait,
pile.
let me do it.
All that is a big pile of crap. You get fired if you did that at a job.
Really?
Yes, because that won't hold anything. I'm gonna turn this off.
All right. Might as well take that off. All right. Well, that's it for the how to on a Chicago Electric Flux 125 welder, I guess. So, oh, well, that's zoomed in. Well, great. See you guys in the next one.